In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see all bookmarks in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready so you can access the menu options at the top of the window. If Chrome is already open, you can simply move to the next part. Once Chrome is open, look for the Bookmarks and Lists option in the browser menu. Move your cursor over it to open the menu. This section gives you access to your saved bookmarks and related tools. When the menu appears, click Bookmark Manager. After you select Bookmark Manager, Chrome will open a dedicated page that displays all of your bookmarks. This is the main place where Chrome stores and shows everything you have bookmarked. You will usually see your bookmarks arranged in folders, along with individual saved pages. If you have a lot of bookmarks, take a moment to scan through the folders and bookmark names carefully. The Bookmark Manager gives you a clearer and more complete view than the Bookmarks bar alone, so it is especially helpful when you have saved many links over time. One helpful tip is to keep in mind that some bookmarks may be stored inside folders rather than appearing immediately in the main list. If you do not see a bookmark right away, check inside the available folders in the Bookmark Manager. That covers everything you need to know.